Want to watch the best African movies and TV shows right on your computer? This quick guide will show you exactly how to install Waka TV on your PC, so you can start streaming your favorites in minutes. First, you'll need an Android emulator. We recommend BlueStacks, as it's user-friendly and free. Open your web browser. We're using Chrome. Type download BlueStacks into the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official BlueStacks website link. Look for the download BlueStacks button and click it. The download should start automatically. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file, usually in your downloads folder. Double-click the BlueStacks installer to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install BlueStacks on your PC. This may take a few minutes. Once BlueStacks is installed, launch it. You'll see the Android interface. Find and click on the Google Play Store icon. In the Play Store, search for Waka TV. Find the Waka TV app in the search results and click Install. Wait for the app to download and install. Once installed, you'll find the Waka TV icon on the BlueStacks home screen. Click it to launch the app. And that's it. You've successfully installed Waka TV on your PC. Now you can browse and enjoy all your favorite African movies and TV shows. Enjoy.